Hey, hello, good morning. Okay, I'm adding story. Posting short. Come on, click yes, go. Coursera iOS Meta course, what do you think about it? Poof. Yeah, I don't know that course. I didn't look in any courses on Coursera or Udemy for a while because I don't know, I'm kind of already working, you know, for a few years already in the industry, and I'm more or less familiar with iOS development. And those courses usually they are teaching some basics. So, follower from Instagram, nice. Hello. Okay, I'm checking if notifications going through about stream. Perhaps, at least partly. Are you working on your office work or personal project? I'm working on personal project today. Today that will be personal project, therefore I will be able to share the code, all that I'm doing here, all that stuff, so that's kind of cool, yeah. Okay, let me see if stream looks fine. Yeah, that app will be on App Store. It is not yet in App Store, but it will be. Okay, Canon. We are not in focus, or we are. Oh, we are. Just streams blurry. That's fine. No, we are in focus. This works. That works. Perfect. Okay, and let's see if we can add Twitch as well. Maybe that will work, maybe not. We'll see. Oh, I'm logged out. How come? Token. Yes, I have it somewhere. Twitch, found it. Okay, that works. Hey. Oh yeah, Twitch stream works as well. Amazing. Hey, hello everyone. Yeah, Happy New Year, guys. Let me organize those chats to be able to read them. Did I use Kotlin multi-platform? Nope, didn't. I didn't do that, didn't take a look on that, but I heard that it is great, so I don't know. Hey Michalo. Oh, you're inspired by my videos and started a small project. Nice, that's a really good, yeah. Your own projects are good to have. Oh, thank you, Marco. Health and success in 2023. Same to you, man. Same to you. How old I am? Does it matter? Yeah, but that's, I don't know. That's asked often. I am 47. Old fart. Do you have a new fancy ring? Yeah, Cultivate, I have a new fancy ring. That's right. Zircle Studio, hey. So today I'm planning to try to fix all the issues that Apple kind of reported, what they found in my application. And yeah, we'll see. 3 years younger than your parents. Yeah. I have been around for a bit, yeah. And yeah, I recognize that I could be easily, by age, I easily could be parent of at least part of my auditory. Actually, I was looking in, let's open YouTube stats. Where is my YouTube studio? Happy New Year. Thank you. What kind of monitor do I have? I have Apple Studio Display. But it said you're under 40, maybe 40. Oh, thanks. It's kind of... yeah, I don't know. It's, yeah... Age always is kind of relative, but it's, yeah, it happens. You're getting older every year, so whatever. Okay, audience. Yeah, my audience is, just in case you're interested, that's YouTube stats, mostly 18 to 35 years old male. Very few women, so yeah, that's what we have on YouTube. Thank you, John Puru. Happy New Year to you as well, yeah. You got it a bit earlier than us in Japan, right? Is KeyMM will replace native? No. Oh, that 49-inch kind of Nightbot has a little bit outdated information. Currently I am on Apple Studio Display, but whatever, yeah. Where are my old monitors? I sold my 49-inch monitor. Samsung M7 works as TV currently in just spare bedroom. I will say that SwiftUI is kind of more fun than UIKit, in my opinion as well, yeah. Are you based in Latvia? Yes, I am. Can you teach me one problem? What? About the user-generated content. Yeah, what about user-generated content is scary shit. Avoid it if you can. I know intermediate UIKit. Any tips to learn SwiftUI? Start to add SwiftUI in your UIKit projects. Depends how you are working. I just started. Okay, if you have kind of fresh kind of project in mind, start to build it using SwiftUI. It will be kind of painfully slow comparing with UIKit, because you know UIKit and SwiftUI is a new thing, but kind of push through it. And yeah, that's the way how you learn. And just for start, I have, let me see if I have resources learning. Probably, if that command will work, then you will see resources what I could recommend. But generally I like, oh, actually in the stream, in YouTube stream description, there is link to the resources. I like those Sean Allen, YouTube, not YouTube, he's YouTuber. He have free resources on YouTube as well, but there are courses from him, and one of those courses is free as well. Check that out. And 100 Days of Swift UI also is kind of a good way to start. So yeah. Do you use new navigation path in some of your projects? No. If that's new, what we have in iOS 16, not yet, because all projects that I have supports iOS 15, iOS 14, and I didn't frankly dig into that. Yeah. Android developer, how should I learn iOS? Yeah, about Rodem, probably I should do a longer video about that, because that's kind of longer discussion. For beginner is one, but it's kind of more tricky because you're not beginner. You already probably know Kotlin, that's very similar to Swift. I will say if I will be you and I'm Android developer and I will start with Swift, I will jump on that. I will jump on it and try to kind of build project to see how it works and all that stuff, you know. How long it take to learn how to code? I will say 6 to 9 months from zero to starting applying for jobs. Okay, I will start working on tasks what I'm planning to do. Sure, we can have chat in between and so on, but basically that's what I will do. How long it took to you to be confident in coding? I have videos about, you know, that imposter syndrome. That is probably something what you're asking about. Let me see. YouTube Studio. Now let's go to my channel. And probably there was imposter. Yeah. Oh, that's terribly bad thumbnail. Whatever, but that's a little bit older video, but maybe that could be helpful for you to watch. I'm talking in that video about imposter syndrome, and I don't know, it's kind of hard to get out of it ever. Is it too late to start coding at 30? Yeah, way too late, of course. I'm 47, dude. I wasn't working professionally as programmer until 40. Of course you are too late, way too late. You know, it's always so. That could be nice if you check out this video. I'm talking about age and programming and when or if you are too late and all that stuff, basically in that video longer. But short version would be, you know, that could be cool if you will start programming at your 20s, but you didn't, right? So what? Start now. I didn't start in my 20s. I was in police, then in army, and I don't know, I was more interested in beer and girls and stuff, you know, than programming. It's fine. Oh yeah, it's member goal on the top. That's yeah, Balenci. That's your. I see where you are confused. We are on live on YouTube as well currently, and YouTube usually is way more active chat, and that's why we have kind of that chat on the screen, and it is kind of mixed thing. I am planning to kind of close that YouTube stream in a bit because I have to work a lot, and I don't know how much, but whatever. I have to work a bit, but I will close that YouTube stream in a bit, and everyone who wants could move over to Twitch. I will post a link, and I will keep streaming on Twitch only just because stay sane and do not lose my mind following two chats and trying to work at the same time. So here is the link in the chat, YouTube chat I mean, for those who are kind of interested to move over. And yeah, after this kind of small talk on beginning, I will keep streaming and working on Twitch only. And yeah, what is that red line? That is a goal for YouTube members. You know, on Twitch we have subscribers, on YouTube we have YouTube members, and I'm kind of curious to see which auditory is kind of more into support. You know, currently if you will look on that screen above the camera, there is Twitch subscribers, and below that is YouTube members. That is the same thing. So, but Twitch is kind of more active. Even I have kind of, okay, I'm streaming more often on Twitch. That's, of course, that's probably the reason. But yeah. Yeah, stay on Twitch. Jackpot Compose is very similar on Swift. I will say that it's similar to SwiftUI. Jackpot Compose is similar to SwiftUI. Basically, you are kind of building user interface in kind of similar way. Yeah. Hey, Wildover, hello. I really wish to buy Apple Studio display, however, it costs $2,800 in my country. Crazy, yeah. Here it was 2,000 euros for me, which is not cheap at all. And I don't know, but I think it kind of makes sense and worth the money, because I'm looking into that screen all day long, you know. I have only one pair of eyes. Okay, one more extra, but whatever. So I'm looking into that screen all day long, and therefore, whatever, I don't know, I'm probably using the screen for longer hours than my bed, so why do not invest a little bit money into that? If you can kind of afford it, then it's cool monitor. If it is too expensive, it is too expensive, and that's it, yeah. Who's that guy? New guy, yeah. Okay, I'm 26 and working as web designer, but before that I was learning code and feel like I can give more in coding. What advice you will give on career switching? I will say, you know, all those career switching moves, I will say, do not make kind of crazy moves. Switch slowly. If you can, then do that kind of in parallel with your kind of day job. Do not kind of jump, I don't know, do not do crazy moves, you know, like I saw that someone kind of going, kind of dropping kind of day job, going to switching careers, spending time learning stuff, and then kind of trying, then apply for jobs. I don't know, start to do work on your side project, stuff like that. I think that is kind of good way to learn, and yeah. Happy New Year. What I'm doing? Talking with you guys. And after that I will start to work. I will record that part of stream when I'm working on my kind of bug fixes, not bug fixes, basically fixing all the things that Apple requested to fix, and I will kind of do summary video about that, so no worries if you were interested about work and process on that habit application but don't have time or willing to stay on stream. That will be available in video. Do not worry about that. I'm not saying you to go away. You still can stay on stream, but yeah. Lime-inch, have a PC, but really tempted to buy a Mac 14-inch as an Android developer. Do you think it's worth having both? I have both because I'm using PC as my streaming machine and gaming machine. For development, all the development tasks, I'm using MacBook only. I didn't do any Android development, but I heard from other Android developers that Mac is a great machine for Android development as well, and in some ways better than PC. So I don't think you need both just for programming. For gaming, streaming, something else, maybe. Hey Fabio, good morning. Yeah, sure. I'm not saying that it is impossible or something. It's not bad for sure, but and also Windows also kind of doing good progress. They supporting Linux, whatever. I don't know all the kind of latest stuff. I didn't even try Windows 11, and I'm not the best person kind of talk about that. I just know. I'm just repeating what I heard from other kind of developers. If you are doing any app development, also web development, then Mac is kind of great choice, you know. It's just me who like Apple things. Yeah, if you like Apple kind of, there is another kind of option. If you hate Apple stuff, you know, then sure, stick with PC. If you like Apple, so why not? Of course, you will enjoy develop your Android apps on Mac, and will have no problems with it. Yeah, if you are doing cross-platform development, then that's also is, you know, Mac is better because you can build for both, yeah. I working in office and watching your work. Nice, great. Okay, guys, I'm just stopping YouTube stream now. That Twitch stream will keep going, and will share my screen, and I will kind of work on my issues that I have with that application. So for those who are on YouTube, you can watch that later in record, in video, or move over to Twitch if you wish. No. Why? Because it is hard to kind of follow two chats. It's really kind of, if I will do only kind of chatting with you guys, that's kind of easier, but do work and follow two chats, it's kind of overkill. That's why. So sorry, no hard feelings about YouTube. I like YouTube, I like streaming on YouTube. I will keep doing YouTube streams. This stream I just started on both because configuration that I have currently for streaming and will continue on Twitch only. So yeah. Okay, killing YouTube stream. Bye bye on YouTube.